Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Eat as much as you can. Do not suck it. You got time. You got time. I'm giving everybody some time here.
Get it, buddy, get it!
Take your time.
Is that cherry pie?
Oh, she got it in her hair. Oh, wow, she's good.
She's good.
Don't push it off inside. Eat it.
Come on, Nico!
You gotta eat the pie. You've got to eat the pie.
Let's go,
You gotta eat it!
Come on, eat
You gotta go right on the other side, you get better.
You can't push the pie off. You gotta eat it. You're like a, look at her. She's like a bird pushing it. Eat the pie.
Good job, buddy.
Eat the pie.
Keep going!
She's throwing everything off.
Come on, Nico!
There's no rules in this game! Go, Maria, go! Go, come on, go! Come on, you inside! Go on inside! Come on, Anna!
Done? Just stand there, you're good.
Ew.
Gotta eat.
Say hi, Jeff.
Can't push it around.
There's no rules.
Just stay there, eat it.
Mom, come on. She's good too. Stay there for 10 seconds. Come on, Mom. Yeah, Maria.
All right, you got a half a minute.
Look at Hilda.
Come here, you done?
All right, we're getting to the end. Come on.
Mom, come on.
Wow, she's good.
Yeah, Maria.
Come on, Nico!
All right, everybody, stand up. Stand up.
Hungry as hell.
Wow.
Look at that shit.
Oh my God. Do that.
I haven't eaten yet. You a champ.
It hasn't.
I was hungry.
Well, I have to sit one. Oh, you have an adult and a kid? All right, so let's do the kid
Nah,
first.
Maria won. Fuck that. Look at that shit.
Where's the kids?
I'm sorry, I'm hungry.
She slurped it up, right?
Yo, fucking.
No, you slurped it up.
No, I ate it. I ate it.
She's the one here for the kids.
You sucked that all up.
And it's a tie between her and him right over there.
What?
You got,
It's hard. It's
you
hard.
pushed all your stuff off there.
Eyes on the table.
So you got a winner here and your tie. You're good.
Another pie. Another pie.
Another bite? Yeah. All right.
Look, you have
Oh, thank
paper
you.
towels.
Maria, you a champ.
So she sits them each one.
Bye, guys.
And here.